Hi, this is Edward from Group 4, and today we are here to present our app called Look for Group. This is an app that allows users to connect with each other who share the similar interests and would like to reach out for entertainment, socialization, or productivity gatherings. For whatever reason, if our user requires looking for a specific group of people for a certain purpose at a fixed time location and interval, this app is the best solution for them. The app collects location data from users, then suggests activity based on their location, interest, and their contact list, provided user allow access to them. We achieve this through integrating Google Map API into our app to accurately locate our user and event. At the same time, we use Google Firebase servers for all backend services, such as user authentication, cloud data storage for the messaging system, and user profile data. Obviously, we are not the first group of people who came up with this idea. As far as we know, Meetup.com is currently the most popular website for this kind of event gathering. They provide the same functionality as our app. However, with our app, we offer one difference. The event comes to the users, not the users going to the event. The idea behind the concept is that the app will detect users who satisfy these conditions. First, users who are in the same area at the same time interval. Second, users who are currently available. And lastly, users who have desire to join an event and not joining any current event nearby. We will do this by letting users set up their event schedule and their interest level towards certain type of event, then broadcast the signal to the other users who have the app installed on their phone. This allows the users to know that other users in the area that are interested in the same kind of event are available, and they should connect with each other. So here is our mocked up UI design map we have right now. So in the beginning of the app, user will be prompted to log in, and then at the same time they will be brought to main menu, and they will also trigger a background service that keep track of nearby devices who has the same app, and we'll try to calculate if this number of apps is good enough to form activity, and might prompt suggest user to start a new event with the users who share the same interest based on the number. So the main menu will bring users to the main core of our app. This is Event Finder. The user will be prompted to look for any nearby event. The users can also choose to adjust their profile, setting the settings, change the preference to see what kind of event they want to see, or if they will be visible to other users or not, to let other users know if we want to connect or not. And we have a event scheduling section. This section manages all the event users have attend or previously attend or planning to join. And this is also main part of the project, as we will try to see if users have any kind of conflict event or not. And after user found an event they are interested in, they'll be brought to the event details section, filling out all the necessary information, and then they will be brought to the event scheduling section to let them know that they have successfully registered for the event. And then after that, we will bring them back to the finder. And at the same time, they can also check out the chat room for the event to let them know if there's any changes to the event, or like there's any add-on to any of the event that anyone in the group that want to provide. So this is our MVVM view model. In general, there are 3 different view models and 3 different repositories, all responsible for fetching different data accordingly to their own view model. First one is Event Finder. This one will fetch data from the Firebase, judging from, and then it will update the Event Finder view model accordingly, so a user can get the correct up-to-date event list. The second one is Chat Room. For the Chat Room, the repository will listen to the changes in Firebase, and whenever there's a new message in the chat room, they will update the chat room automatically. And whenever there's whenever a user sends a message, the repository will send the message to the repository for the Firebase. The third one is a user profile. The user profile, it will be updated through our repository. We'll retrieve the user profile, update the user profile, and update the contact list. The contact list comes with is part of the user profile. Now, for our workload, we will divide into 4 main sections. Event Finder that implement the Google Map API. The event scheduling section to make sure that no event is conflicting. The chat room section that ensure user can communicate directly with each other, and the background service that will dictate a large part of what makes this app unique.